Let's get certified.
To be the best, you gotta work with the best, and you'll always be the best.
You have to be able to use either an implicit sRGB color space profile or an ICM or WCS XML color profile. Now drop and give me 4800 DPI. Booyah!
'Cause when you reach for the stars, you'll be better than the best.
Listen to me. You support MTP and are capable of dramatic object enumeration performance improvements. I don't think you can. I know you can.
Get after it. That's what I'm talking about.
A little muscle and a whole lot of hustle.
110% times 2.
With the heart of a lion, with the brains of a champion, with the heart of a tiger. Certified, 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 certified.
Congratulations. You're one step closer to being certified. Now hit the showers. Rub-a-dub-dub. Scrub between the plugs.